everybody, back again, and this one is maybe my favourite second-hand I've seen so far. It's large. How modern is that? And it's a large garage, I can tell you. This is our 2020 Rollerteam T-Line 743 and it's an automatic. Let's go. So here we are inside. Let's just get straight into it. This is a very unique layout. This is a forward-facing L-shaped lounge. I'll show you it a wee bit better from another angle. Up front, you have your automatic gearbox. It's a 9-speed automatic. You have your cab aircon, your multimedia system here. Your steering wheel is also multifunctional with Bluetooth and cruise control and speed limiter. But let's show you the main body of the beast. So, as I mentioned, this is a very unique layout with that forward-facing lounge, and it's large. It's large. This is a 4-berth, 4-belt. Your first bed is up above. I'll show you that in a wee second, but there's still stuff to see in this lounge. Come over here and I'll show you the TV bracket. How modern is that? Just tucked away, and then you just push it down. Hide it again. Come on into the kitchen here. So you do have your 3-gas hob, your sink just in here. An extra little feature is a cooler box. So you can put your beers, your wine, your champagne, whatever celebration you want to do, cool it in there. You have your fridge under here. That's a 3-way fridge. And then your combined oven and grill just below that as well. Up above is your electric drop down. And then of course you have your ladder there for it as well. And that just attaches onto the side. And then that just goes smoothly up again. So you do have your separate shower and toilet in here. Your shower just located in here. And then this just locks it in place so there's no rattling whenever you're driving. And then your toilet just round the other end. Just in there. Lovely big sink in there as well. And tons of storage. Now your bathroom door can be used as a privacy door, just clicking in place there, and there's a lock on it as well, so you can lock it in place just to separate them two areas. But here is your master suite. So this is the master suite, your large island bed above your garage, and you can access your garage just down here. And it's a large garage, I can tell you. Come on, take a look. Look at the size of this. Look at the size of this. Tell me all the things you could fit in here. Go on. Let's take a look outside. So, you do have your full length awning up above. You have your reverse camera around the back. And your forward bike rack here as well. And that wraps me up. I have missed a ton of specs, so if there's anything you want to know about this vehicle, please let me know. This vehicle can only be sold into the UK and NI. If you want to know why, drop me a message. It's a bit of a waffle, so I don't think it suits the video. But I will see you next week. If you need to contact me, you can give me a call on 028 9269 3999. You can drop me an email, marketing@thompsonleisure.com, or you can drop a message and I'll pick them all up. See you later.